everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a recipe that my mom has made several times, and I've really never made this on my own because I was too afraid to try. But today we are going to make apple crisp. So I'm going to share with you guys everything that you need to make this awesome apple crisp. Now everybody makes it a little bit differently, but this is what I love. And I really love the topping, and I'll share with you guys on that. So to make the topping, you guys will need a whole stick of butter. You'll need 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 cups of flour, but you want to make sure the butter is at room temperature. So this has been sitting out for a couple hours now. It's pretty much at room temperature. Then you guys will also need a bag of apples. It doesn't really matter. You could have a ton of apples. You could have little apples. We will see how many apples this will give us. You will need a rectangle pan. It can be glass or metal, doesn't really matter. You will need a 1/2 cup of water, and you will need a teaspoon of cinnamon. So while you guys are getting everything all set up, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to start peeling the apples first. Okay, you guys, so I have about 7 apples. You can have as many as you want. You want to make sure you fill the whole thing. So the first thing you're going to do is just kind of drizzle water all over it. You want to just make sure there's water everywhere, even though it'll spread about in the pan. You just want to get them all wet. And this is a 1/2 cup of water. And then we also have the teaspoon of cinnamon. I was supposed to mix the cinnamon with the water, so I'm actually going to take a spoon and mix all this while in the pan. So that's what I'm going to do first. I mixed up the water. Sometimes you can add a little bit more water than what you want, but the next thing we're going to do now is make the topping for it. Okay, so you guys want to have a bowl, and then one thing I actually use is this little thing. You can use whatever. I also use a fork. So we're going to take the butter and get it out. Okay, and then you're going to need 1 cup of sugar. My cup is in the dishwasher right now, so we're just going to use 2 1/2 cups. And then you also need a 3/4 cup of flour. So what you're going to do next is just kind of press it. You don't need to mix it. You just want to make sure you blend it until everything's all chunky, the butter's all mixed in. We're going to be doing this for a while, so share with you guys what it looks like at the end. So I mixed it as with that little thing, and then I pretty much just took a spoon and then just, you know, stirred it a little bit more. You got some little bit of a bigger chunks, but that butter will melt in the stove or the oven. So you just want to make sure this is all evenly. You want to make sure it's nice and crumbly. So then you're going to take your apple crisp, and you can use a spoon, but you're just going to kind of just drizzle it all over the top. So this will take me a while, but I'm going to do it. Okay, so here is what it looks like. So now all you're going to do is just put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. I do want to say, you use your favorite apples. I probably could use a better apple, but this is what I had, and we're going to try it anyway. So let's cook for 30 minutes. Okay, you guys, so here it is. I let it cook for about 36 minutes. We're just going to let it dry. Some people eat it like hot. I like it nice and cold. So I will let you guys know how it tastes after it cools down and I put it in the fridge for a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I had this been sitting out for about 30 minutes, give or take. and then I kind of put it in the freezer because I do like it cold. So we're gonna try it. Sorry about my daughter, but it tastes exactly like my mom's. Oh, this is so good, you guys. It's just, you don't want to share it. It's so good. It tastes exactly like my mom's recipe. If you guys enjoyed me making this recipe, definitely give that video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. I'll be making more food coming up in the next couple of months. But definitely let me know if you guys tried this, if you like it this way, if you tried this recipe, or if you're going to try a different way. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.